nakulimbat na pera, ibalik pa rin na sa condition.
That's what I'm saying eh. If you're really in good faith, di ba, gusto mong tumulong sa investigation, why not sagad-sagarin mo na? And okay, marami naglabasan sa social media kahapon na nabanatan tayo. Siguro it was just born out of anger na I said na bend the law to please the people. What I meant was bend the law to for humanitarian reasons. Kasi when you say bend the law, you enforce the law because of yung flexibility at saka yung for humanitarian reasons. Pero I didn't say na we have to break the law, violate the law. No, I didn't mean that. What I meant was bend the law para for humanitarian reasons. On this issue about returning the money, yung sinasabi ko, isang tabi muna natin yung batas. Kasi sinasabi, may batas daw yung restitution. We have to follow the due process. Pero sinasabi ko, baka pwedeng hindi. Idiretso nila kung talagang kagaya sinasabi ni Secretary Remulla, baka yung voluntary nila isurrender, hindi na tayo dadaan sa korte. Yung dinasabi ng Malacanang sa mga press release ngayon galing ng Malacanang na they believe na dapat isurrender na muna ng mga diskaya at saka yung mga witnesses na papasok dyan sa protective custody, yung kanilang mga nakuha mula sa gobyerno. And that's what I meant. Thank you po.